let's walk through how to connect any Insightful Pipe MCP server to Claude. First, copy the MCP server URL by clicking this copy button, then click the Claude Connectors Settings link to open the settings page. On the Claude Connectors page, scroll down and click Add Custom Connector. Enter a name for your connector, then paste the MCP server URL you copied earlier. Click Add to create the connector. Once the connector appears in your list, click the Connect button to initiate the connection. Complete the authorization by clicking Authorize Access. This grants Claude permission to interact with your data through the MCP server. And that's it. Your MCP server is now connected to Claude.